Hi, my name is Camilla Larocca and I'm a speaker at the TÜV AUSTRIA Technology Days 2024. To research the corrosion process and to create a reliable dataset that simulates real-world process, I've divided my experiment in two parts: a laboratory-based study where samples are corroded in a controlled environment, and a field-based study where we build a box around a pipeline containing corrosive soil. We will monitor these pipe sections for 6 months, gathering signals with passive acoustic emission monitoring and active sensing. In addition, we will correlate it with parametric information such as temperature, moisture, and pH. At the Technology Days, I will present the first results of the laboratory-based experiment and showcase the setup for the field-based experiment. I believe that the Technology Days will offer a valuable opportunity for sharing insights and gaining feedback with fellow research and industry experts. My name is Camilla and I'm living the future at the University of Bologna and TÜV AUSTRIA Group.